So I just got these in the mail today, and I just thought I'd upgrade them again. Look at that. Now I have the black pudding PBT keycaps, and so I thought I'd replace all the black ones. Pretty cool. I like how half of it has that transparent kind of white so that the LED can glow even brighter. And while I'm here, I also got this today. It is the low profile, look how small the keycaps are, Red Dragon TKL K622 RGB USB mini slim ultra thin design wired mechanical keyboard. Red switches as well. I love red switches. I just love the sound of them. It's just very quiet, so I always go for red switches. Or black or brown would sound good too. So yeah, what do you reckon?